And this is interesting also. Today on the 10th of August 2024. What was the address again?
Ukmergės gatvė 206.
Yeah. The staircase is...
Yeah, big.
Yeah.
You
Sorry.
Yeah.
I was a bit slow.
Yeah.
Okay, to the 10th floor. Or 11.
No,
No,
maybe not.
No,
Ninth floor. Or it's 8th.
Wow, original machine.
Yeah.
It's built in 1979. It's also in Šeškinė, one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. It was not at all, but we'll see that from the upstairs also.
Yeah.
And there is a digital blanket that is not in use. It's original.
Yeah.
We can try it.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
And original type also.
Yeah.
This is the best so far today.
Yeah. Serial number is LF01038894.
Yeah.
Yeah, the light is needless.
Yeah.
Complete by Kivainsptant, maintained by Kony.
Second ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love the sounds of
No, same.
Yes. No, thank you for watching.
That's